put a non-stick pan on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of batter already prepared. Then make it thinner or spread out with a flat spoon. Let it be cooked for about 2 minutes, and you can add an egg for added taste. Spread the egg around, and if preferred, you can break the yolk and spread it out so that it is uniformly spread out in the roti. We call this Thosa. Cover it for some time. Usually it will take about 3 minutes to get cooked. Sprinkle little bit of ground pepper, ground black pepper for added taste. Cover. Now it's being cooked, ready, and turn it upside down. Just for a while. That's the finished Thosa, egg Thosa. You can eat it with 2 curries such as mutton curry and dal curry. Thank you for watching.